In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, just open the messages, click on a new one, and now let me enter any number. As you can see, we can write message in English. However, if you would like to change it, click on the settings, go to the languages, select Add Keyboard, and from the following list you can select the language that you want to apply. You've got you've got loads of options, so no matter where you're from, you can find here something suitable. As you can see, this list is endless. And now let me pick, for example, Hebrew, because the change will be visible clearly. Tap on Done, remove unnecessary language, go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.